Giga, I didn't remove anything. I swear to God.
Okay, why did you kill her?
Sir, why did you remove anything?
Sir, I told you now. Sir,
Why did you kill her?
I don't have to escape. That's why she already see my face.
Why did you? This is the place they killed a young vibrant lady and buried her in a shallow grave.
Subscribe sí ìkànnì yìí, ẹ hàn notification button kẹ́ lè láǹfààní àti gbádùn wa síwájú sí i. Àjọṣepọ̀ wa la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí. Mo kí gbogbo ojú tó láǹfààní láti máa wò mí ní ìkànnì Agara Fasiti. Ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò mí ò ní fọ́, etí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ mi ò ní di lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba. Ọlọ́run kó jọ kó máa dáàbò wa kó máa ṣọ́. Mo fẹ́ fi àkókò ìrọ̀ gbogbo òbí tó bá ní àǹfààní láti wo fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ lórúkọ Ọlọ́run ọba, ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí. Ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Torí pé àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké sì ládẹ̀rẹ̀ tó ń wà ìbàjẹ́, eléyìí tó jẹ́ pé ó ń kọni lóminú jọjọ. Ẹ̀yin náà ìwúrò òfò àti wọ́n sọ pé Odokunrin wò sí ọmọ 300 level ní ọmọ ilé ẹ̀kọ́ Giga Fasiti. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká máa bá ọmọ ìsọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ bá tún rú àwọn post yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa share sáwọn ọmọ yìí kọ́ máa wọ́ Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kí tí inú wọn di orí inú wọn báyìí kò ní bá tòde wọn jẹ́ lágbára Ọlọ́run. A máa jèrè wọn. Please take your time to watch this video so you can please help me share. Not because of anything, but for the young generation to learn and not be a victim. By thy grace, they will not be a victim. We too will not be a victim. Thank you. God bless you. If this is your first time of joining us at Agara TV, please kindly subscribe to the channel on the notification button so that you can keep seeing our updates.
This is the place they killed a young vibrant lady and buried her in a shallow grave.
Baba. It's like they went and turned her again. This is a part of a body. This is a part of another body. This is the part of another body. There's another body here. There's another body here. Yes. There's another body. Yes.
Tell us how many people
Everybody go back. Don't fight you. Go back.
I would like to hold
How many people?
some sins here.
It's a lie.
So you
Kill
can
this guy.
have to block this my video. What is happening? What they are showing in that video. They are trying to evacuate the dead body of that level of the university that was kidnapped by this young guy.
What happened to the Buddha?
Please.
Sir, he said I should tell you everything. Sir, I told you everything. I swear to God.
You see the private part, they don't come out.
Sir, they don't move anything. Sir, I swear to God.
Hey, how many people did you kill?
See, they even put cloth for him mouth.
You and who killed this girl?
Sir, I'm the only one. I swear to God. Sir.
What did you use in killing her?
I strangled her.
Strangle her to death.
Yes, sir.
Why? Why?
They don't come out the womb.
Sir, I swear to God. I didn't womb.
Okay, wait. Why did you kill her?
Sir, they will raise it now. I confess it to you. Sir, I told you. Sir, I should do God. Sir, I swear to God.
Oh, what and what? What and what? Which part of her? What and what did you remove from her body?
Sir, I swear to God. I didn't remove anything. I swear to God.
Okay, why did you kill her?
Why did you remove anything?
Sir, I told you now. Sir,
Why
please
did
tell
you
them.
kill her?
I don't have to escape. That's why she already see my face.
Why did you kill her?
I kidnapped her, like I told you. She was trying to escape. So she already see my face.
Where did you
so I
kidnap
don't
her from?
She know you before?
No.
Where did you kidnap her from?
I brought her here.
Where did you carry her from?
From that gas station side.
Gas station, where you carry her?
Yes, sir.
How did you get her contact?
I drag her here.
Drag her.
Did a rope for the neck.
And nobody sees you, sir. What time? Around what time?
Towards that, after, around 9.
Sorry, please go to YouTube.
When did she die?
Go to YouTube.
Come here. Wednesday last week.
I would like to hold some scenes here. So you can see I just have to block this my video with what is happening, what they are showing in that video. They are trying to evacuate the dead body of that level lady of the university that was kidnapped by this young guy. So please.
Boju from which state?
Kaduna South.
What brought you to Kogi?
Hustle.
Okay, this is the hustling.
This is the hustling. How many people have you killed in your life?
I swear to God.
Which of the God are you talking about?
You swear to God.
How many people have you kidnapped?
Did you know God?
This is my first time.
You see?
This is my first time, I swear to God.
Apart from kidnapping, what else have you done?
Then who remove our intestine and other
Fraud.
Who removed the lungs, the intestine, and other organs?
I swear to God, I didn't remove everything. After I struggled out today, I just dragged her here, I left her here.
You
I
are,
swear to God, sir.
you are lying.
Sir, I swear, I'm telling you.
You are lying.
In that video, they are trying to evacuate the dead body of that level lady of the university that was kidnapped by this young guy. So please, because I wouldn't want YouTube to have to I don't know how to put it. I don't just want you to wahala. Now put on that way. So please, that's why I'm using this video to cover the. If this is your first time of joining us at TV, please kindly subscribe to the channel on the notification button so that you can keep seeing our updates. Thank you.
Ìgbà ọ̀tún ti dé fún gbogbo àwa aláfẹ́ àti ọ̀tọ̀kùlú tá a mọ ohun tó dára fúnra wa. A sì ń wálé ìtura àbílẹ̀ ìgbafẹ́ lẹ́yìn tó làmìlaka. Guarantor Hotel and Suites ní kẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ wa mọ iye oníbàárà. Iná wa kì í ṣẹ́jú kódà àti iná ọba balẹ̀. Ẹ̀rọ amúnáwá tí ó gbàṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ ti wà nílẹ̀ standby. Agbègbè tó fi ni lọ́kàn balẹ̀. Ẹ̀rọ amúlétutù wa wà ní standby. Standard rooms làwọn yàrá wa nílé ìtura Guarantor Hotel and Suites. Wọ́n wà ní No. 1 Afolabi Soyega Avenue Àgbàlá Phase 1 Ìpẹ̀rù Rẹ́mọ Ògùn State. Àyè ìgbọ́kọ̀sí pẹ̀lú ètò ààbò tó fẹsẹ̀ múlẹ̀ náà wà nílé ìtura Guarantor Hotel and Suites. Ibi ìgbafẹ́ wa tá a mọ̀ sí Bágádì Òlẹ́lẹ́gbẹ́. Ilé ìtura Guarantor Hotel and Suites tó wà ní 1 Afolabi Soyega Avenue Àgbàlá Phase 1 Ìpẹ̀rù Rẹ́mọ Ògùn State. Ẹ pè wọ́n sórí 0813-773-8409 tàbí
0802-450-6061. Ẹ sì lè pè 0703-714-1264 tàbí kẹ́ ẹ kàn sí wa lórí email guarantorhotelsuites@gmail.com. Guarantor Hotel and Suites nílé ìtura àti ibi ìgbafẹ́ tẹ́ ẹ ti lè fún ọkọ̀ yín nísinmi. Your comfort is our priority.
Jẹ́mi mi ogun, àmín, àmín, àmín. Àtàlàfíà, àlàmúmọ́, àmín. Níbi ẹgbẹ́ mi bá náwó máa jẹun kó rán níbẹ̀. Mo bẹ̀bẹ̀ fún ní àmín.
ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì yìí, ẹ hàn notification button kẹ́ lè láǹfààní àti gbádùn wa síwájú sí i. Àjọṣepọ̀ wa la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí.